Hello YouTube, welcome back to HTS. Thank you for stopping by and clicking on this video. My name is Leo. For those of you that don't know, you just barely stopped seeing my channel. And on this channel, I teach a lot of web traffic sources, and I also go over some softwares and do reviews, stuff like that. But I'm going to be showing you a traffic source right here that I've showed a long time ago. I believe it was like one of my first videos when I first started this channel. And since then to now, it's grown a lot more visitors, millions more visitors a month, so you could get some of that traffic and get it to your product and service. And since you're here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and tap that notification bell to get notified of future videos coming up real soon. So sometimes you win some, sometimes you learn, and that's just part of the game, everybody. You know, there's no get rich quick scheme. It's just part of the game. So the more you market, the more chances you have to make money online. So here's the traffic source. Now I'm going to open this up for you. You can get full view. And it's KSL.com. Now KSL.com is more in the Utah, Wyoming, Idaho areas. But let me show you this, everybody. Look. Traffic sources right here. I'm going to open this up for you. KSL.com. Right there. And as you can see, it's pretty steady traffic. Over 21 million monthly visits. United States, let's see, 99, okay, 0.0, most of it's the United States, some in Canada, United Kingdom, Japan, Germany. Not much though, mostly United States. So right here is an opportunity for all you men and women to do your thing. So let me show you how to use it real quick, and we'll go from there. So all you do, you make an account. It's pretty straightforward. They'll send you a verification to your email, this and that. So, but I want to show you down here. You go to the very bottom, and if you want to see the terms of use, you click down there, and it's going to show you what you can and cannot do on this website. Just so you're well aware of that, because if you're not doing things the right way and ethically, if they do spot that, they can kick you off of here. It's theirs. Also, hold on, I'll get to that in a second. Lincoln, okay, so it shows you what you could do with your social media. And website. Okay, yeah, so just read over all this before doing your thing. I also want to let you know, let me jump back a little bit. They also have, it pops up every now and then, a support. So you just go to this, there's a support that pops up. I don't know where it went. But as you see right here, it's a news. KSL.com, it's news. And, but you could go to the classified areas. Now, you can pay for your ad. So I'm going to go right here and go to my listings. I have a few listings already, but I made a lot of money off of this website by let me show you real quick. Let me show you the categories and all that. Okay, let's see. I usually so you could put your ads in here, whatever you're selling. Now I've sold a lot of car parts because I'm a car guy. So I sold a lot of car parts. I sold a few generators. I mean this is more local, physical products. I've sold a lot on this website, and let me show you real quick. Oops. Right here, you can add a listing. Now, I believe that's for paid. I'll go back to that in a minute. But my listings are right here. Now, I have a few little. I just posted these the other day. I'm getting 9. I believe I pulled a lead off of here on this one. Also, everybody, since you're here, leave some comments below. Leave some comments and check out the links in the description as well. I got some links for all of you men and women out there who are into marketing and stuff like that. So dig down there. However, if I was going to put another, I was going to add listing. You could put classified cars, homes, jobs, services. I would put classified, of course. And let's see what I could put in here that is Okay, so let me scroll down here. Okay, images for ads. Let's say for this example, I was going to post let's just say I was going to do this one, right? If I was going to do this one, I would enter that there. I would put a nice headline title. So, make money from home. Okay, I would put that, and I'll put a description. This is where it comes in here, everybody. When you put a description, this is what. Oh yeah, look down there. Look, there's the chat. If you got any questions, you can reach out to chat. They respond to you pretty quick, and if not, they leave you a where you can put your email, and they will get back to you as soon as they can. So down here, let's say I put a welcome. If I can spell right. Making money system, and then you put all that. You make money system. I'm just putting this for an example. It's simple, and let's just put easy. To learn more, copy and paste link in URL, and then I would leave a link right there. I'm just using this for an example. This is for traffic, but anyway, if you're looking for more traffic, I will put this link in the description below. You can get it as well. Make sure everything that you learn on these, you gotta, when it comes to free traffic, you gotta be persistent on it. You gotta keep pushing for it when it comes to free traffic. I also have a few videos here on paid traffic. I will put those in the end videos here, but you want to put something like this. And then right here in your category, just like anything else, you got to see what it is. If books and media, what are you giving away a free ebook here? You could probably put it books and media. Let's see what that will take you. Books, fiction, college, education, right there. You could put it in there. If you're you got any other books, DVDs, magazines, you could probably put it in a few of these. Designs and books and media. Let's see what else. Let's see what else they got right here that could help all of you out there. If you're giving stuff away for free, they do require no business. Now, I do want to let you know something real quick. It says it down here, right here. I'm going to zoom in there because I want you guys to read this. Do not respond to anybody who contacts you requesting to send you a verification code and or that you reply with a verification code, a cashier's check or money order. Now, be aware of this on also Craigslist, and they also do it on Marketplace on Facebook. Be very careful because they want you. I've had it happen to me many times, and they try to flip it around on you. They try to say that they want to verify that you're a real person and for you to go do this and that. No. There's specific rules and guidelines that this that KSL.com gives you on not to do that, and it's right there. So if anybody asks for that information, tell them goodbye. You know, it's just plain and simple as that. I just want to put that in there because with these days, you know, you just never know what people are doing. So you could go free, you could go buy or trade, or trader or barter, general. You could sell furniture, hunting and fishing. Maybe if you are in the survival niche, you might be able to put like a ebook in here. So tickets, toys, weddings. If you got products and service on weddings, some kind of eBay store, whatever, you could probably put it in here. However, when you do fill this up, of course, I just did this real quick for an example. I usually fill it up with a good paragraph, and I use power words. You know, there's no power money making system. That might be a power word. I might want to bold that up, and I want to make it look nice, but I want to add more in there. And then you want to go to, like, let's say let's say for this example, it's not that. It's gonna be because we're doing traffic in here. So let's see if there's anything for appliances, blah blah blah. Okay, media. Okay, we're doing education. Let's just say that. So we want to the subcategory is going to be education. Price, you could put $1 in there. I don't think it allows you to put 0. And then on the condition, you want to put use, whatever. If you got a physical product, make sure that you're using make sure if it's used, fair, whatever, you put it in there. That's going to be the condition. And here's the cool thing. If you have a YouTube channel, you might want to use your own YouTube channel. Let's say you have a video that you made that goes with this link on web traffic. So as many of you see some of my other videos, I have a lot of stuff on web traffic. I could bring it over here, drop that YouTube video in there. Now I'm a private seller or a business seller, whichever one, click which one. And then you go down here, you accept the terms, post my listings, and it's going to send you an email with the email that you put in there. It's going to send that to your email. Now, if you want more eyeballs on it, all you do is click here, and then how many days you want this to be on to put it up for them to put it up. You get to 8x as many views. Showcase your listings results. Okay. And it's only like $5. It's pretty simple. Now you could also go over here, I think under services, my listings, list of business. So I have this other thing I do, which is buy, lease houses, right? Property or real estate, stuff like that. I made an ad in here for that. I also put in a YouTube video. So let's say I was going to go here, you could hit manage. You could delete everything, mark as sold. You could also share it on Facebook. You could do that with all your stuff. But let's say you wanted to edit this. And so as you can see in here, I put a longer description. But I don't have that up. And for this example, I'm just kind of going through here. But there's so much you could do with this website. There's so much you can do. And that's why I wanted to share it with all you women and all you men out there, because I believe that if I made a lot of money from this website, and that's more off physical products, but I'm also getting into it digitally. I reached out to this to KSL.com. I did reach out to them a while back. Excuse that noise. It was just my phone going off. But I have reached out to this website, and I had a lot of questions to ask them. And I asked them, well, could I do this on there? And that's what they told me. When it comes to your product, copy it and paste it, because copy and paste the link, let people know, copy the link and put in a URL and go to that link in order for them to go to your landing page. Now, I use landing pages because I want to gather some emails. I've never tried posting like a bit.ly link or anything like that, like a link, let's say it's just straight to a product, like a CPA product or anything like that. I've never done that. Now, if you do that and you do give it a try, it might go through. I can't guarantee that. If it does not go through, they're most likely going to send you saying that your ad has been removed, and they're going to let you know, please don't do that again. They're going to let you know to respect their platform. And and then you could respond, well, how could I do this and that? And then I usually use a landing page just to be safe, stuff like that. So I really hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up so I could make some more videos like this, and leave some comments. And don't forget to check out the links I put in the description. They could help you on your way, whatever journey you're on. If you need traffic, stick around on this channel. I'm coming up with a lot more traffic sources. If you need software reviews, whatever, I'm on the computer a lot, so I'm always digging into new stuff, and then I make a video of it to see if it's worth it or not. So Thank you, everybody. You have a good day, a good night, and I'll see you around. Go ahead and check out these other videos that are popping up right here. Bye.